Hi, welcome to Signing Time with Katrina and Mary. Today, we're going to talk about ocean animals. First, fish. To sign fish, you use a B hand and make a swimming motion. Fish. Second, octopus. To sign octopus, you take your dominant hand and put it on top of your non-dominant hand and wiggle your fingers. Octopus. Third, shark. To sign shark, you also make a B and put it on the top of your head like a fin. Shark. Fourth, dolphin. To make a dolphin, you wrap your fingers like an R and ride the waves. Dolphin. Fifth, whale. Just like the big whale tail, you make a Y and you also ride the wave. Whale. Six, crab. So crab has two signs. Crab. You make like G's and you make the pincers together. Or you can also open up and make claws. So crab or crab. Seven, just like crab, there are two signs for lobster. V's, like the pincers, or open claws again. Lobster. Lobster, lobster. I think this is number 9. Starfish. Up with the stars, and then you add in fish. Starfish. 10. Turtle. So there are two signs for turtle. Turtle, you're putting your hand over like a shell, and his little head's wiggling. Or you can do a sea turtle, where you put your hands on top of each other, and then you'll make your little fingers swim. Turtle. Turtle. 11. Stingray. Put your fingers together, almost like a butterfly, and you're the butterfly of the sea. Stingray. 12. Seahorse. Horse. Seahorse. Now, we're going to do sentences. Are you ready? Mary's not ready. Fish can swim. Turtles can swim. Stingrays can swim. Starfish can swim. Let's do that one again. Starfish can swim. Lobster can swim. Crab can swim. Whales can swim. Octopus can swim. Dolphins can swim. Seahorse can swim. Last one. Sharks can swim. Thank you. Look for us next week. Bye.